Hey everyone, how you doing? Got a little unboxing video. Not used to what you guys are probably seeing. You probably don't see this much on the channel, and you're probably curious as why I'm posting these videos. You know what? I bought the thing. I'm gonna make an unboxing video of it. Just something I wanted, something I picked up for cheap. Take a look at this. I wanted this, and you'll see why. This is the Lige brand watch. They're not revered as a really the best watch brand out there or anything, but they are fairly cheap, and it comes from China. It's only a timepiece. Whatever that says. Okay, so it came with this, some guarantee card, some booklet, and like a little wipey thing in there. But another reason why I wanted to get these ones specifically, because it came with this tool. It is just a cheap little tool, but it's the exact size I need. I think it'll come handy for doing some Zippo work, maybe adjusting pins or things like that. So I don't know, I just never had one of these tools, and I have other watches I could remove links on, so kind of why I got this, because it came with it. I thought that was really cool. And another reason why I bought this one specifically is because I like the Rolex Submariner, the James Bond style, and this is an homage watch to that. It's 60 click bevel. It's not very good, to be honest. Very loose, like very loose feeling bevel, just moves on its own. It's not a twist watch. I don't know how waterproof this is, but it is a nice looking watch. That's why I got it. It's an homage watch to a Rolex Submariner Bond version, which I wanted. So I got this. So let's take off the stickers and see how this thing fits. There's a bunch of little dumb plastic on this thing, which is nice because you're getting you're getting a brand new piece here. Maybe if I open that, that'll be better. It's got a butterfly clasp. The older ones used to have a non-butterfly clasp, but apparently they were junk and everybody complained about them, so they switched it to this. And I've never owned a butterfly clasp before, so let's see how this fits as soon as I get this stupid plastic off. They really plastic the crap out of this. Luckily it comes off fairly easy. Hold on, I'm just gonna pull this off screen here. All right, so I finally got all the plastic off. That was a pain. But the movement version will have a display case back, and you'll be able to see the movement. This is just the quartz version. I didn't want to have to deal with a movement watch all the time. I bought this as an everyday user because it was like so cheap, so I wouldn't care if I actually destroyed this. I don't know if I have to take links out or anything. Let's see here. Oh, it actually fits my wrist just the way I like it. That is a really big face watch. I didn't think it was going to be so big. I've never had a watch with such a big face, so that's kind of new to me. I like that. It isn't a screw down cap or anything like that, like it says. So I don't know how waterproof it would be. The magnifier does work, but it's not straight, which is not a big deal. This thing is cheap. This was a cheap watch. I can't complain. And like I said, it does look good. It does look good. I don't know how well any of this is going to hold on it. I'll probably do a review video after 6 months. But trust me, this is going to be my everyday wear as a beater watch. So this is going to get put through the test. We're going to see how good this thing really is. And like I said, that's why I didn't go with the movement. I went with the quartz because I didn't want to have to deal with the movement not working and take my watch off and winding it. The battery just always works, so I went with that. It's not sapphire, anything like that, just like a mineral. But I have to say too, I am liking the butterfly clasp. It's very sharp. I like the look of it. I like the feel of it. And this watch came out of the box fitting, so that was interesting. I didn't even get to use my tool. I'll have to use that for something else. But I don't know. So that was just another quick unboxing video of this Lige watch. I do like it. I recommend it. I wouldn't say not to get it. It works. It came out of the box ticking and working. Apparently it's like a movement quartz too, so like there's a little movement gear in there that does help with the battery. Apparently the battery in this lasts a very long time. We will see. I will have updates for that also, so we will see if it really the 2 years it does suggest. But all in all, this was a great deal. I'm glad I bought it. I do like this watch. I do like the look of it. I do like the feel of it. I think now that I know that it looks nice and it fits nice, I might get the Green Hulk version too, because I do like that watch. So we'll see. All right, everybody, take care. Sorry it's not a Zippo video or anything like that, but I just wanted to show the watch I got. Take care.